Magnesium hydroxide is a white amorphous powder, alias caustic magnesite, light burned magnesia, etc. The shape of the pellets can also be changed, commonly round, but also square and rectangular, which can be controlled by the roll model. In most cases, the material shape of the magnesium hydroxide ball press is spherical, which facilitates demolding and is not brittle during transportation. As for the type of magnesium hydroxide ball press, the larger the magnesium hydroxide ball press roller, the size of the roller directly affects the magnesium hydroxide processing capacity. So the larger the ball roller, the higher the output, the higher the cost of equipment. Magnesium hydroxide ball press size can be carried out according to industry standards. If there are special application requirements, the user can customize the sphere size to the manufacturer.